Alright, this is JB LENNUX and welcome back. So we are going down into another access point of the Riverwalk. And it is just a beautiful fountain that you see off to the left. Now this walking path is designated just to be able to go walking, do a little bit of hiking. Now there is a ramp accessible, or you're able to take your bike, or you're able to go down the stairs. So it's very easy, convenient. You know, this is outside of the tourist area, but this is more for the locals, you know. But if you're, more optimistic and, you like to go and do a little bit more exploring outside of the whole tourist area, well then yeah, this would be more your kind of a scene. Maybe you're not so much of a social body, and maybe being around too many people just isn't your kind of cup of tea. So then you could go follow the Riverwalk even further, because the Riverwalk actually has a lot more to it than just what you would think it has. Yeah, it has a bunch of shops and everything way deep into town, but the Riverwalk actually connects very far out, and it stretches to many parts of San Antonio. So there's a beautiful fountain. Let me zoom in. Beautiful. Now this is a man-made canal. And then during Christmas and different holidays, they go all out and they do some very, very lovely decorating. They get all nice and delightful with the decorations and the lights and all the fancy woodworks. And as you can see, this is the water. Now they don't do the river tours through this area, but as you can see, now we just had someone go through that was on a walk. People walk, hike, sprint, walk their dogs. Sometimes they bicycle, but I don't know, sometimes you gotta see. Look, they even have complimentary little dog bags. And then look, they even give you complimentary stuff, like a little map of everywhere that you're at. So how cool is that?